How's it going, everyone? This is Case, and we're bringing you another update on Project Gunsmoke because today is a big day. It's great having this truck painted up. We have these really cool rock rails that David made for us, but there's something missing. Right now it looks like we robbed the wheels off of a shopping cart, and our friends at Toyo wanted to help us change that because these are Toyo tires, open country AT3s. This is a new tire of theirs and it's great all around in terms of durability, off-roadability, but I don't have a ton of experience with these particular kinds of tires, so I'm gonna toss over to Andre, who can tell you a little bit more about what we can expect from something like this.
Booyah! Check this out, guys. This is a new tire, like Case said, but the previous generation of this tire, the AT2 All-Terrain 2 generation of tire, we put on our older project, our 2019 Ram Rebel Rouser. That tire was also a 35-inch tall tire like this is, but this tire is a little bit more beefy, and it's a 12.5 width. And the older generation of tire we put almost 10,000 miles on, maybe more, in rocky areas of Nevada. We took it everywhere on highway trips, and off-road in Colorado, and we never had a flat. But now, we have to get rid of these tires, right, Case?
Oh yeah. If you look at these tires, you can see they don't have a lot of anything left in them. They're pretty bald, and you can tell they're pretty old, so getting a new tire on this is going to be a massive improvement, especially because some extra sidewall should really help out the ride a lot. You can probably see behind me there's a bunch of 35-inch tires, and the great thing in a torquey diesel truck that's geared to crawl is that you can put 35s like this on a truck like this, and it's really not going to struggle that much with them, whereas a gasser might. Alright, I am right now pulling into discount tire, which means these are the last couple rotations for these little rubber band tires before this truck gets some serious meat under it. See, first big reveal, big tires.
We haven't seen it yet.
Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
No way!
That looks wicked. Wow.
Dude, that is sick, but don't disclose this car. We can't show them anything.
Yeah, we're in a secret vehicle. Now that is a world of difference. If this doesn't show you how big of a change you can make to the look and hopefully the feel of your vehicle just by changing the wheels and tires, I don't know what does. I mean, this is a transformation, and it looks like an honest farm truck now. Because, of course, the body and the paint, you know, it's not perfect, but the fact that it's got some honest black steel wheels and some serious rubber underneath it, now this truck is officially cool. Before it was kind of cool, now it's seriously cool.
Go drive it, dude, go drive it!
I'm about to. I'm right now pulling out of the car wash that is right next door to the tire shop because this is now a truck that actually deserves being cleaned. And you're about to see my actual first driving impressions. Already going over these bumps in this not very good condition parking lot, it feels like the truck is softer. It already feels like we're absorbing some of those impacts. Now, oh yeah. Oh, it's got no problem dealing with these bigger tires. I mean, it's got plenty of gearing, so the fact that we're going from a 30.5 inch tire to a 35 inch tire, this thing has no problem accelerating. We're cruising just fine. And yeah, big tires make for small bumps, so it honestly rides a hell of a lot better. Overall, this is just a massive improvement over what we had before, because the tread was almost gone on those old tires, and the fact that we now have these, it's going to be so much better off-road, on-road, and if you couldn't tell, it looks a hell of a lot better.
Hey, what's up?
Hey Tommy, are you in your office?
Yeah, I am.
You might want to step outside.
Oh my god, dude, it looks amazing!
Now that is a truck, my man. Holy cow.
That's how this thing has been begging to look its whole life.
Yeah, that is a truck. We gotta test it, see how those Toyos actually handle a little bit of rocks and dirt, but the truck just looks spectacular. What more do you want? Look, classic truck done up by the team with dual exhausts, one of the most reliable and, dare I say it, long-lasting diesels you can buy. A gun rack with a baseball bat, a TFL truck sticker.
Manual transmission, that's
Manual transmission, four-wheel drive.
Came out awesome.
And it's going to good home. Keep in mind, guys, we're going to auction this thing off for basically an orphanage here in Colorado. So if you want this, a couple more videos, and then please bid on it. The money goes to a great cause. And you guys have worked your asses off. I'm really proud of what you've done with that.
Honestly, David did the majority of the work, and it really turned out.
So a huge thank you to Toyo Tires for making this transformation possible. It came out better than I could have ever expected. Quite honestly, the 35s I thought would look enormous on this old Ford, but they look just right, just perfect with the slight lift kit that this F350 has. Now, Case, how much did the wheels come to? Do you remember?
The wheels were about 110 bucks a piece, so
okay.
440 for the total.
So that was kind of like the cheapest wheel we could find on the truck, and actually it was the perfect wheel for the build. Anything bigger would have been too flashy, anything chrome, not right for this build. As a farm truck, this series is coming along beautifully. Now we just got to take it off-road, so be sure to stay tuned, because next time we're getting this thing out in the dirt. Well, as always, this has been Tommy, and behind the camera,
Case.
Check out TFL Classics, because we've got a lot more coming with Project Gunsmoke.